In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve some common battery problems on your Dell laptop or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. I do want to make note that batteries do degrade over time, and eventually they do need to be replaced. So that's not really what today's tutorial is about. Today's tutorial is more about if there's technical issues going on behind the scenes. So we're going to just open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, you come back with troubleshoot settings, open that up. And then on the right side, there should be an additional troubleshooter section. Select it. And then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, select where it says power. Find and fix problems of your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. So go ahead and run that troubleshooter and it should automatically detect potential issues here. And then hopefully it should improve your battery life. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.